Hello beauties, what's up, and welcome to the Kendy Jane Beauty channel. Today in this video I will show you some new spoilers, yes, for upcoming products in May and June, and I also will show you several variations of the April regular box and premium box. Won't be a very long video, so please hit that subscribe button because many of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, and I would appreciate that so much. So let's get on with this video. The first sneak peek I want to show you guys was sent to me by Amanda yesterday. She got a questionnaire asking her about Huda Beauty. So I am pretty sure we will be seeing Huda Beauty in our box very soon. The product they were asking about in particular is the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette in the shade of pink. And it's neon pink. It sells for $29. This is a range of neon pressed pigment palette inspired by Huda's obsessions for neon colors, offering versatile looks from subtle to vivid and colorful. Now, looking at this 9-pan palette, we've seen her Obsessions palettes already. These were the newest palettes a few months ago. But the particular shade they were asking in the questionnaire was about the neon pink. As you can see here, the swatches. Actually, in that Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust palette, they have a couple shades that remind me of this palette. It's a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes, creamy metallics, and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. It's available in the 3 neon color themes: neon orange, neon green, and neon pink. What do y'all think about these? Would you be happy to get one of these in the palette? That's what the questionnaire was asking. They were asking if they liked Huda Beauty. Would you like to see Huda Beauty in your box? And in particular, would you like to see a neon pink palette? How do you guys feel about this? My feelings are, at first, I was not sure about these neon palettes. They're very popular right now. Urban Decay just came out with a neon palette with some neon eyeliners. And I'm more into it since I've tried that Ace Beauty palette because it has those neon shades in it and they really look good. And it's really a popular theme right now. So what do you think about it, ladies? Would you wear this? I know I would. What is your feelings on this? I'm interested to hear. Woohoo! Let's check out the Boxycharm Premium Sneak Peek. The first one is new to my channel. It is the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. This sells for $23 at Sephora. It comes actually in several different shades, actually 14 shades. I'm going to go through a few of those. This is a collection of pigment-packed eyeshadow trios with perfectly coordinated shades you can use to create complete looks in a snap. So this is supposed to be a portable eyeshadow palette you can bring anywheres and put on your makeup quick. They're designed to let you create a day-to-night look easily. They're super blendable, richly pigmented formulas that are perfect for any occasion. The first shade that you're looking at is called It's Fire. It's a brilliant sun-drenched metallics. There's 3 shades in each. If you're looking at the compact, it's really cute. It looks like a lens on a camera. And they used to have these out, I think a couple years ago. That's when I looked at it, I said, gosh, these are really old. But these came out a few years ago and they revamped it. They got a new formula. They have more product in the packaging and it's at a lower price. So let me show you a few of the different shades. I'm not going to go through all 14. The next one is Nude Pick Medium. It's a subtle natural contour with medium shades. Then you have Nude Pick Light, which are subtle natural contour with light shades. Now these look like a cool tone palette to me with the grays. Then you have Nudie Pick Fair, which is a subtle natural contour with fair shades. And this last one is the Nudie Pick Deep, which are subtle natural contour shades with deep shades. These could be used for several different shades of skin depending on which one you're using. And here are some more different shadows that they do offer in the different shades. Like I said, there's 14 of these different palettes. I think what would happen with this, if it's in our choice item, you would pick it and then you would get the one of the variation that they would send you. Keep that in mind. Okay, what else do we have in our base box in May? Now, these may all be variations. We're not sure. He hasn't came out and said these are actually choice items. I have a feeling they might be. The next one is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is a beautiful palette. It smells like vanilla. The packaging is amazing, and the shadows have really good payoff. Has a little kickback. I actually have this palette, so I've tried it, but I use this palette a lot because of all the neutral shades. The next item you may see in your box is from Too Faced also. It's the Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. This sells for $30. This is a rich smelling chocolatey scented bronzer. It does have some sheen to it. It's made with gold overlay, like it has gold and cocoa in it. So and it's beautiful packaging, but it is not matte. The next item is from Kevin Aucoin. It's the Expert Mascara. This sells for $29 and comes in the shade black. It's a formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts for the ultimate in glamorous lashes. I really would love to try this mascara. The last product that we know that could possibly be in our May box is from Skin & Co. It's the Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. Now, this sells for $66. If you're looking for the most value for your buck, this may be a good one to pick. They extensively researched this product for decades, they're saying. The Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate is formulated to hydrate and nourish the delicate eye area, as well as tighten and smooth for a more youthful appearance. Now, if you want to know more about the products I didn't go into too much detail on, all you need to do is click up above. On this video, I went into a lot more detail if you want to hear more about these products. Next, we have our May 2020 base box sneak peeks. The first one is from ELEMIS. It's the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Now, the 60 count is $59. These are used to exfoliate your face. It's very gentle and effective. Gently encourage the skin surface cell renewal cycle, which helps your skin replenish its cells, because as you get older, it's slower and slower at that. So this is a very good product. You would use it after cleansing your face. Now, if you're extra dry like I am, I probably could not use these every day. I would have to patch test and see how it works. If you have normal to normal oily skin, it would be very good for your skin. Next, we have from GLAMGLOW. It's the BERRYGLOW Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. This sells for $49 for 2.5 ounces. This is a moisturizing mask packed with super berries and probiotics to help repair skin's moisture barrier. And it's for all skin types. And it'll help your skin with dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and fine lines and wrinkles. And lastly is the one I like the most, I think. It's from Hourglass. It's the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. This sells for $42. It comes in 5 different shades. And what it is a highlighter in a smooth, weightless texture. It's designed to give you an instant flash of light for unparalleled glow and the most seamless highlight. It's supposed to be like a more natural highlight. Okay, Bindi Babes, did you get your premium box and it says Hello Charmer upside down? This is a good thing. You can get into a contest where you can win a box curated with over $1,000 worth of products. Here is the rules. All you have to do is snap a picture of your box with the upside down Hello Charmer, upload it on either Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and use both the hashtags #Boxycharm and #BoxyFlipsIt. So it says your profile must be set to public during giveaway period, which is April 1st through May 8th. You got to be a premium charmer, and they sent these boxes out randomly. And then what they'll do, they will pick one winner from all the pictures randomly, and it will be chosen on May 8th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, and the winner will be announced on May 11th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram stories. So make sure you get into this. If I get my box upside down that way, I sure will do the same thing. If you have any questions, just email me and I can help you. Okay, Charmers, now I'm going to show you several variations of the April 2020 base box. I hope you enjoy it, and then I'll go into the premium box right after.
Like you, I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning.
If anybody is interested in joining Boxycharm, I have all the information down below, as well as the codes for those free products that they have going on right now. Also, I have 2 giveaways that are going on. One is for 2 different palettes. If you're interested in winning the Urban Decay Reloaded palette or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carly Bible palette, those will be in giveaway this month. I have a link that will tell you all the rules and regulations. Number 1, you need to be subscribed to my channel and set to public so that we can verify your subscription. The second giveaway I have going on right now is a full April base box. If you'd like to win that, I will list the video up above you need to watch, and the instructions are all in that video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it very much. Please hit that like button if you liked my video today, and let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you for watching. Love each and every one of you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Mwah. Love you guys.